Hello and welcome to Sarah's Delights. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make shakshuka. So the ingredients you'll need are 1 onion, 1 potato, tomato, 3 cloves garlic, eggs and of course spices, which I'll show you later. So let's get started. The onions are in. Now you need to fry them for a few minutes before adding in the rest of the ingredients. I've added 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and half tomato chopped. Now this will be mixed in. Now I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now you can adjust all these to your liking. Mix it all in. Add a tiny drop of water. Mix again and cover up just for a minute or so. In the meantime, I'm going to cut the potato. So I've peeled it and cut it in half. And next step, I'm going to cut the potato in half again and then thinly slice like so. I've cut and washed the potato and now it's ready to go in the pan. I'm going to stir it and let it fry for a few minutes with the lid on. I've added 1 cup of water and now I'm going to cover the pan up and let the potatoes cook. I'm going to check if the potatoes are cooked by trying to break it with the end of the spoon. It's broken, so which means it's nice and soft and cooked. Now I'm going to put in the eggs into the pan. I'm going to put in the eggs one by one. I've placed the eggs in the pan. I'm going to garnish with some chopped coriander, some garlic powder and some crushed chili. And now I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes. While that's being cooked, I'm going to prepare some garlic bread to have as an accompaniment. This looks cooked. If you like soft eggs, you can switch off and eat now. Otherwise, for harder yolks, you can leave it for a little bit longer. The shakshuka is ready to be served. I'm serving mine with garlic bread. You can enjoy yours with rice, bread, garlic bread, whatever you would like. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.